All right, what's up, Joe? So maybe I'm doing this wrong, but okay. So I'm on my dashboard, right? And then I've gone into Engage, and then I started setting up this recipe. So I just had this day one recipe, which um, I was working on. Okay, so bam, 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 bam. Here it is. Now, if I go to the back end, the edit, right? You can see that I have both the get started and the default contact form engaged, meaning, or I'm thinking that they should automatically populate with this day one recipe for anybody that fills out the get started or the default contact form. Correct. So I did a tester and I went to my website and I filled out Martha Trevino's information. Still zero task. I did this 3 times. So I did this with the let's see, and I was like, maybe it's because I filled out the default um, contact form, but no, because I put that one down under the form thing as well. And then on the Martha's, it even says, like if I go to view, boom, get started. It says that shit there. So if she's get started, she should for sure already populate and start getting all of the day one recipe per se, but has populated yet. As far as tasks, right? Nothing upcoming, nothing completed. Uh, so yeah, how does that work? Thanks, Joe.